Good afternoon, Annalyn.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Annalyn Uduhan. I'm 35 years old. I was in Lebanon 2 years.
And you have served how many members in the family?
They are 4, 1 boy and 1 girl adult.
Your main duty in your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Your main duty.
Yes.
What is your main duty in your employer's house?
Household. I clean bathroom and make up room and vacuum.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because as a single parent, I want to support my family and my kids. That's all.
Who will take care of your kid when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother.
What if you find an employer who is always angry with you even you have done nothing wrong?
I will accept if they were angry with me and I will ignore them.
If she asks you to clean other house, are you going to obey or not?
Yes, ma'am. I will obey.
Do you have any allergies in foods, drugs, detergent?
No, ma'am.
Any food you don't eat?
No.
Do you love pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a day off in Lebanon?
No, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, your employer will provide you a once a week day off, but sometimes twice a month, but the other 2 days will be paid off by money, of course. Is that okay with you?
It's okay.
Electrical appliances, you know how to operate?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Dishwashing machine and vacuum and oven toaster and washing machine.
Before putting the laundry inside the washing machine, what will you do to the clothes?
I will separate the white ones in the color.
And if you find some money or valuable items inside the packet?
And I will give it back to my employer.
If a 5-year-old kid asks you to play with you but you're too busy to attend to, what will you do?
Pardon, ma'am?
If a 5-year-old kid asks you to play with you but you're too busy,
I will do my best. I will play with them.
a strange person comes to you asking for some details about your employer, what will you do?
I will ask permission first.
From your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not allowed to give any information about your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to use the telephone, even your own cell phone, without your employer's consent?
I will ask permission first.
Okay, any message for a future employer?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm hoping to choose me. I'm a single parent and I'm willing to work with you. I will do my best what I can. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for coming.